There's a bit more you need to know than just how to put your Acuvue brand contact lenses in and take them out. A lifetime of good eye health starts with proper lens care. As you know, your contact lenses will need to be replaced. How often depends on the type of lenses that you have. It is very important to stick to the recommended wear and replacement schedule that you and your doctor decided on. If your lenses are 2-week daily lenses, you take them out every night and then throw them away after 2 weeks. If you find your 2-week lenses are becoming less than comfortable before the end of 2 weeks, talk to your doctor. Daily disposable lenses mean that you use a new lens every day and whenever you take them out during the day. Besides replacing your Acuvue lenses on schedule, the most important thing for eye health is keeping lenses clean. That means you need to clean and disinfect your contact lenses each time you remove them and before you wear them again. Here, let me show you. Don't forget to wash your hands. First, apply a few drops of fresh contact lens solution recommended by your eye care professional. Your eye care professional may recommend that you gently rub the lens with the index finger of your free hand to loosen dirt and other deposits. Then store each lens properly in a case filled with the fresh contact lens solution recommended by your eye care professional. It's also important to keep your lens storage case clean and replace it at least every 3 months. Contact lenses are made so thin and flexible that you might find that one of your lenses is folded over. If that happens, just gently unfold the lens and it will return to normal. In fact, some lenses that fold make it easier for you to tell if a lens is inside out or not. You should never wear a lens that's damaged in any way, even just a small nick or tear. It can cause eye irritation or worse. Be sure to immediately replace any damaged lens. So remember, keep your Acuvue brand contact lenses clean, replace them on schedule, wear them as instructed, and never wear damaged lenses. And if you ever suspect a problem with your Acuvue brand contact lenses, take them out immediately and talk to your eye doctor. You can also call 1-800-843-2020. If you take care of your Acuvue lenses and get regular eye exams, you should have a lifetime of healthy contact lens wear.